Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Clockify Chrome extension to track your work time easily. Clockify help you record how much time you spend on different tasks and projects directly from your browser. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now you will search for Clockify, enter. Here you will see the first one is Clockify Time Tracker. Click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the after installation you will see the Clockify icon on your Chrome toolbar. You can pin for quick access. Now you will open any website, then click on the extension. Here you will see you can log in or create an account. So I don't have account, so I will create an account. Here you will see. Now you will see the extension logged in successfully. You can simply click on start to start your record your time. Whenever you want to stop, you can just simply click on the extension icon and click on stop. Then here you will type like break, then click on start and it will count your break. You can break like 30 minutes, 1 hour, so on according to your work. And that's it. So that's how you can use the Clockify Chrome extension to track your time and manage your task more efficiently. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.